Alright, so today we're going to be doing a top end on the Honda XR100. We got the tools that I think we'll need right here. We got the drill with all the tools in the tool bag. And then we got FridayParts.com tools. Check them out. Link is in the description and in the bio. Let's go bring this downstairs to the gym. Now, let's get this thing washed and torn apart and let's just do it. Let's go. So right now we're going to work on the top end. I don't think I'm going to pull the engine out of the frame. I think I'm going to leave it in the frame and just take everything else out that's around it. FridayParts sent me these ratcheting wrenches here. Dude, these things, stuff like down here on a kickstart or something like that, cracking this stuff off, man, so much easier than popping it on, off, over and over again. These ratcheting wrenches, dog, game changer. There we go. Got the shifter off. All right, that's all we're doing tonight. I took off the exhaust, the carburetor, and everything. This is how it looks. We got stuff everywhere. So we got a cylinder right here. We finally got this rod out. It was seized in there. So I think this is going to be it for part one.